Okay, so Pawar's mortal remains are being taken to the Baramati ground for tributes. Once again, not surprising given the thousands of people, locals in Baramati and in general the area around it, Vasudha, who will be pouring into Baramati to pay tribute and say a final farewell to Ajit Pawar. This was a politician who had an incredible ground connect. We've got pictures just coming in of Chief Minister Fadnavis arriving in at the ground where the body of Ajit Pawar will be kept.
Absolutely, and Devendra Fadnavis Shiv is known to have this close association with Ajit Pawar. Remember in 2019 when the first rebellion of Ajit Pawar happened, there was this instant swearing-in ceremony that took place, and it was of course in 80 hours everything actually fell apart, and Ajit Pawar was back in NCP with his uncle, and then he worked with MPA. So Uddhav Thackeray going to Baramati to participate in the last rites of Ajit Pawar also shows that they've had a turbulent relationship, but there's in times of death everybody wants to also come together. Devendra Fadnavis looking visibly shaken, sad. He's in Baramati today, and he's the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and he's here to pay tributes to his long-time friend Ajit Pawar, and somebody that he has shared a great equation with. And Ajit Pawar, I remember Eknath Shinde has always had some sense of anxieties with respect to NDA alliance, but Ajit Pawar was always very sure that he would get the best portfolios because Devendra Fadnavis was always on his side.
Okay, fresh ground report has just come in from the site in Baramati. Let's just go across to that.
मंत्री अजित पवार आज बारामती आ रहे थे। उसी समय सुबह 8:50 के समय उनके प्लेन जो है वो क्रैश हो गई और बड़ा ब्लास्ट हो गया। जिस जगह ये प्लेन क्रैश हुई है वो वही जगह है, गोजोबावी नाम का ये गांव है, और इस साइड पे देखेंगे तो ये यहाँ का ट्रैक है, और ट्रैक को छोड़ के लगभग 100 मीटर आगे 150 फुट खाड़ी में ये प्लेन जो है वो नीचे गिरी है, ब्लास्ट हुआ है। अभी आप यहाँ देख रहे हो जो फॉरेंसिक एक्सपर्ट टीम है जो महाराष्ट्र सरकार की यहाँ पहुंची है, वो टीम जो है वो देख रही है कि कैसे ये दुर्घटना हुई है, इसकी क्या वजह हो सकती है। ये एक्सपर्ट टीम जो है इस सब हादसे की जांच कर रही है। अभी हम दिखा सकते हैं कि यही प्लेन है जो लगभग 100 या 150 फुट नीचे गिरा हुआ है, और इस दुर्घटना में अजित पवार और उनके साथ जो भी थे वो सब 5 लोगों की मौत हुई है। अभी इस घटना के बाद इस जगह पे फॉरेंसिक टीम है वो दाखिल हुई है और आगे की जांच शुरू है। देवरा खुंडी, NDTV इंडिया, बारामती।